It's in the final stages of production, so it's not a fully fledged finished product, but Samsung have been nice enough to let us get our hands on the Samsung Jet, or the Samsung 8000, how it's otherwise known. Now, first things first, it has a rather sizable 3.1-inch AMOLED screen, which means it's great for wider viewing angles, and the screen resolution is absolutely stunning at 800 by 480 pixels, which is actually the highest resolution you can get in a mobile phone. Now, the Jet uses the TouchWiz UI. Now, this is the version 2.0, so we've upgraded since the days of the Toco Ultra, which used version 1.5. Now, your home screens are split into 3 customizable pages, and like we've seen with the Pixon, you've got a widgets sidebar, and you can essentially drag them onto each of the home pages and customize each one to your liking. So for example, on one of my pages, I've got loads of media. I've got YouTube, Facebook, my media player, and I've aggregated that all in one area. So that's really cool. Now, the Samsung Jet also uses its own web browser called Dolphin, and what we really like about this handset is you can save a URL, you can save a web page and make it into a widget, so you can access it very easily without having to go back online and grab it there. Now, the Samsung Jet has some very, very cool features, including something called Smart Unlock. Now, this basically means you can assign a letter to a contact, and using gesture control, when the phone's unlocked, you can put that letter into the screen and it will automatically dial your number. It's very cool, and we really, really like that feature. The Samsung Jet packs in a lot of features, and sometimes trawling through the menu can be a little time consuming, but the Jet has you covered. If you hold the button in the middle, it will bring up 4 of the most recently used apps, giving you quick and easy access to what you want. The Samsung Jet also packs a 5-megapixel camera with autofocus. It has a dual LED flash, and one thing we really like is when you access your pictures, it has one-touch zoom. So you hold your finger down on the screen and it zooms in. Now, other features include Wi-Fi. It also has an accelerometer. It supports push email and supports Exchange. It's also got a 3.5mm jack, which is very important on a handset, as you'll know if you like Sony Ericsson phones. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning, it is an unfinished product, so this isn't the finished version, but expect a full review on Stuff.tv very soon.